In today's video, let me show you how to fix PayPal email verification problem. If you're having issues receiving the verification email for your PayPal, then what you can first of all try out is look out on the junk folder or the spam folder of your email address. So if you use Gmail or any other service providers, you'll normally have a section which says junk or spam. You can try checking this folder, as these sort of emails may land up in this section. Now, if this is not the case with you, then what you can also try out is try to resend the email verification code using a different device. If you're currently using a mobile application, then you can use a browser instead, using your phone or maybe even your desktop or your laptops. Doing this process, you should be able to receive the email verification code. Now, if none of these solutions work out for you, that likely might be a server-side issue. So what you need to do in these cases is just you need to wait out a couple of hours before you try to receive the email verification again. And once you wait out a few hours, you should be able to solve this issue automatically. I do hope this guide video was helpful to you. If it was, be sure to subscribe. That's pretty much all for today. I'll see you in the next video.